What is up everyone, how are you doing? And in this video I will show you how you can fix Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus incoming calls problem or incoming calls not showing on display problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So to fix incoming calls not showing on display or incoming calls problem in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus, simply first of all you just need to go to settings or call settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.